Barbaric DIY here with another great review for you. It's summer, doing a lot of movie watching outdoors and on the porch, and we got this excellent Vamvo 120-inch projector screen for the lawn. We're going to try it out on the lawn with some new projectors, and hopefully it goes great. Inside the box, the projector screen comes with its own enclosed bag right here. You also have some coupons and tell us how we're doing type things, so that's cool. Bag is a nice quality polyester bag. I'm gonna unzip it and see what's inside. Inside the bag, they have the main screen itself, and I don't know if you know this, but we actually reviewed a smaller Vamvo outdoor screen, and this looks to be made of the same material, which has been great. It's a lightweight, nice cloth on it. You can iron it, you can wash it, and it has Velcro attachments like the other one too. It's just a huge screen though, so that's why we wanted one. Then it has some nice metal poles to set everything up with, along with some guy lines to keep it down in windy conditions. So it looks good. Also has some pockets on the inside here for the bag to hold some accessories. So Vamvo, you've done a nice job so far on the presentation. We're gonna set it up right here where we usually camp. The directions for setup, by the way, are right on the edge of the box. It says take out the 2 pipe sets with attached quarter bends, then open them up to form tripod as shown. And after adjusting the height, fasten the screw shown in insert A to fix the tripod in place. Third step, take out the pipe set with attached spring clips. Extend it straight pipe and connect it to the top edge of the canvas. And then it says lock both ends to the quarter bends of the 2 tripods as shown. So we're just going to set it up with all the directions right here, and then finally we're going to use, well, it's not really strong wind, so maybe we won't, but if we have to, we'll use the provided strings. It's kind of like guy lines on a tent, and it'll hold the screen down. But here we go. It always helps to have a 6-year-old.
Yep.
Next step is to take the straight poles and put them through the canvas. Just to show you, they have these little spring things that lock in right here. Really easy, but again, you want the top side to be the top without any Velcro straps. That is the top of the screen. And you have the same thing on this side over here. The next one is the pole with screws on these sides. So this is the bottom pole, and the straight poles with these springs on them are for the top. You have to know which one's which. They have these little turning things right here. Just to show you on this side, this is a screw, and the screw goes right through the pole. There's holes on either side, and it screws into the big long pole on the bottom. It does the same thing on the other side. Final step is just to put the Velcro around the poles. So these go to the side. Zach, start doing yours, bud, okay? It just Velcros right on the back. And that's it. That's the setup of the screen. So Zach and I are camping out on the yard for the night, but we're doing a really big, grand camping trip here. And we're gonna use the Vamvo outdoor-indoor projector screen. Obviously, we're using it outdoors. I had to put some rocks on the legs, only because we're on a hill, to make it more stable. And then we're gonna line up the Vamvo mini projector, the L4200, to watch a little Star Wars Episode 3 tonight. And it's going to be glorious. If you want to see a review of the Vamvo L4200, please look for a link in the description below. And as you can see, the Vamvo 120-inch screen doing great on the yard, having tons of fun.
Yeah, take this. Wait for orders.
And the Vamvo L4200 is doing great as well. So that's a nice size screen for outdoor viewing. Still looking great, 120 inches, watching Episode 3 of Star Wars with the L4200 Vamvo projector.
Now we're really picking up speed.
Search for no one, nephew.
I saw thousands of troops attack the Jedi Temple. That's why I went looking for Yoda.
Lord Vader, can you hear me?
Yes, Master. Where is Padme? Is she safe?
You did it all for her, right?
Is she all right?
It seems in your anger, you killed her.
He just lied, right?
I couldn't. She was alive. I felt it.
Pretty angry. So overall, Zach and I are really big fans of the Vamvo 120-inch projector screen. Massive size. The cloth is great because it's lightweight. You can also iron out any wrinkles. Can do that if you really have a problem with wrinkles on your screen. The Velcro actually stretches it out well enough to just use it by itself out of the box. So I don't see a problem with that. The only cons I have with the screen, honestly, is that you have to test the guidelines if there's lots of wind. It does fall over easy in wind, but as you can see in our application camping the other night, we just put rocks on the legs and it worked fine. It didn't fall once. It was on a slight incline, so it was going to fall over if I didn't put the rocks there. And honestly, you can find rocks anywhere. I mean, you know, so it's a really easy way of just pinning it down. It's a great screen, really easy to set up. Really big fans of it. We're going to be using it for a long time. We're also a big fan of Vamvo in general. Their projectors are great. Customer service was great to us because they sent us a new unit when we had a malfunctioning unit, but they have high quality stuff. This screen and the projectors are top notch. If you would like to purchase your Vamvo 120-inch outdoor-indoor projector screen, please look in the description for a link to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.